campaign or wait take motor person. All Luriba, Oku can be Oku can be jolly. There's a good enemy. And the course like Chichari, he can make a phone apart from Africa Road. Now you go to Saba Road, almost all now. Nadia, you yeah, all my day. Jesse Boris, Sinano Saranama. Tamana, Illusion, almost like Roma. I want one day, or was the curry. But Kayama, get our work, Yamama, never let it our work. Or a Cassini and Wariam. Oh, Marilana, and I read it every day. I just read it on because we're not allowed to Oscar.
My name is Patience Osofo. They call me Mama G and they say G for General. I beg. Roots for Ikamu. Make una vote Okowa. Now they sure so go get what you want. Now na brother. Nobody go fit take care of you more than your brother. Vote for Okowa. Vote for PDP all the way. Make things better for una. Today will not be the time when person dey sleep. Everybody eyes don't open. Open your eyes. If they want to see your vote, call police. Give your vote to PDP Okowa all the way. God bless you.
FMO Kingsley Emo, Commissioner for Economic Planning,
for the next generation. And this is a time for you to vote. The time for you to elect someone who can represent you. And the power belongs to you. The power is your PVC. And that PVC is your power. Don't vote. And you must defend your vote. When you vote, righteously in Jesus' name. I greet you for all your solidarity in Jesus' name. I greet you for all your support in Jesus' name. We not go campaign. We not go campaign. Governor Okowa not go campaign for you. We just come to greet on her. We can't greet on her. We greet on her for our support, for our prayers, for our consistency.
People are saying it. Okowa is working, and we are saying it. The road master, the health master, the sports master, the education master, name it all. The man is everywhere. A man of integrity, a man that respects transparency and accountability in governance, a man that says we must build institutions and not individuals. On the long run, all of us will benefit. A man that empowers the youth, empowering the youth in a different way, empowering the youth to become entrepreneurs so that they can have ability to employ other people. They multiply, effect is enormous. I tell you, he has done well.
My name is Mr. Kestu Teba. I'm the immediate past secretary to the Kasa local government. I'm a lecturer by profession.
And this group that you are coordinating, what's it called?
Yeah, well, this great group is Team Hillary for Okowa 2019. Team Hillary for Okowa is a group that we consider because of the good antecedent of our principal, Mr. Hillary Obioma Ibebulem, the principal secretary of the governor. So I'm the general coordinator for Team Hillary for Okowa.
The governor is coming to Kasa out to round up his campaign. How's your group planning to welcome him?
Yeah, we are fully prepared, as you can see, and we are fully here, fully regulated, fully with our attire, ready to welcome our capacity governor.
So what necessarily your support for Governor Ifeanyi Okowa?
Actually, what really motivated me because of his antecedents and because he's full of grace. If you look at his history, if you look at his antecedents, he started from secretary to local government, from secretary to local government to commissioner to SSG to senator to governor. And what really prompted me to start supporting him because of his good work. Look at our roads, look at our healthcare center, look at our schools. Everything is superb. He's doing great work. We respect him.
So apart from the governor, are you supporting other PDP candidates?
Yes, PDP 5/5. I'm a strong PDP member. I'm a PDP faithful. I will support all the PDP candidates, starting from the Atiku to Nwaboshi to Nwokolo to Chukidandi, and my workaholic governor, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa. It's 5/5 all round.
So what's your message for the Ikasa people, especially as the elections are around the corner?
Yeah, my message to the Ikasa people is to stampede all other parties. We don't have any other party in the Ikasa. Let everybody vote for PDP. Let everybody vote for Okowa. Let everybody vote for Atiku. We don't have any other party apart from PDP. My advice, my message to them is to vote PDP all round, 5/5.
My name is Peter Idion, SA to the Governor on Community Relations and the convener, the bridge builders, the famous bridge builders.
So what is happening here today, sir?
Happening here today, normally, the campaign rally of bringing back our governor and all the other candidates, Peter Nwokolo, Peter Nwaboshi, Chukidandi, and the rest, Atiku of all people, back and bringing them to the helm of affairs, stepping forward.
As the governor comes today, what's your message for him?
My message to governor, let him continue to be good. Let him continue to be who he is. Let him continue to do what he's doing. The people are happy with him. Let him not be deterred. Let him not think about the rigging APC is planning. It cannot work because one with God, God will scatter them. We have seen it many times that where result was handed over to somebody but couldn't know what to do with the result. That was Sanogo's election as chairman of the local government in Ika South, because the God of Abo Kingdom will intercede for us when the time comes.
Okay, so finally, sir, what's your message to Ikasa people as we...
The message for Ikasa people is for us to continue to be stable, to continue to unite, to continue to be one.
Director General Campaign Flow for Okowa 2019. Baby go for you, that's my name. Engineer, baby go for you now. Director General Campaign Flow for Okowa 2019. Yeah.
What is your picture yesterday?
Come here.
What is your picture yesterday?
It's the campaign now. Campaign is going on now. This is the turn of Agbo, Ika South local government. We have gone to 24. This is 24 local government Okowa have gone to now, and we are within through all these in all these local governments. So we are in the 24th local government president as we are talking now. So if the 25th one will be over Igbo, it's his own personal local government.
Okay, what necessitated your support for the governor?
It's because of the good work he has been doing. He's a man that has done so well for the people of this state. He's a man that has improved the life of the people of this state. You can see what he has done in this state. You see all the roads, all the bridges to Riverine area. Look what is happening in the Riverine area as I talk to you now. We have roads in all the Riverine area. You know what it costs to build a road in the Riverine community. And this man is doing it. This is the first time we are seeing a governor that take development down
down to the creek. We really appreciate him. Yeah.
So with these achievements, are you assuring that he's going to sweep the elections?
I'm telling you now, everywhere we go, it's 100%. Everywhere you go, people love this man. That's why I tell people. People that come from this valley, are not people that are rented. They are not rented people. You see the amazing crowd here now. These are people that knows what the man is doing, and we want the man to continue with the good work he has been doing and is doing. We want to thank him so much because you see, when you see a man like this, he's a messiah. I don't want to say he's a messiah. God has sent him to this state to come and rescue this state from poverty, from poverty, from all kind of nonsense.
My name is Nurse Jackson Amaye. I'm the DG, Delta Nurses for Kowa.
So what necessitated your support for Kowa?
The reason why you're supporting Okowa is because of a giant strike in the health sector, most especially in the nursing profession, because the governor has done more than enough for the nurses. Not just the nurses in Delta State, but nurses across the nation. He has recently employed more than 200 nurses into the civil service. So that alone is one of the reasons why we came out en masse to support his re-election for 2019.
My name is Phil Eriabie, Nollywood producer, both in Nigeria and Atlanta. I'm the daughter of this soil. I'm an Agbo lady. This is my brother on the throne. His name is Ifeanyi Okowa. Please vote for him. He has done well. He dey work with the Siam. Not be say they hide and do. Not be person of it talk. Now what can do? Some can do. Not gonna vote for Ifeanyi Okowa, my brother. Omekinya. He too good. He too work. He too much. Not gonna vote for him.
Estate to the governor on youth development, and at the same time the coordinator of government special projects in the South community liaison officers. He watching the governor in Agbo alone. In fact, he shocked all of us. Even though I'm part of the government, all of us are very surprised. And on every local government area of Delta State, and go down to every ward. He around with that sentiment. Whether you work against him or you work for him, around everywhere. And we have not seen this kind of thing. We don't know that government is like this. And this is why we are converging. Everybody, all sectors of the economy, teachers, nurses, students, farmers, community teachers, everybody, they are gathering here and giving him a ransom welcome. At least we are begging him to go back again. Because we don't know that government is like this. We do hear about government before. Since 1999 democracy, we haven't any government like this. So all of us are begging him to please go back again for us.
Honorable Emeka Kidogweni, advice in the youth to the
yes. The youth, of course, the car youth, they have keyed into government activity. In full. Before our youth, they are not focused. But today, I'm very happy in the youth. We're from the major part of this campaign. Everywhere we've gone to, Yawani youth are very active. And they will repeat, and they already repeat it because as they go there, they talk to people, people are helping them everywhere. And so before it was not like the other like this before, they go into crime. Even those people from diaspora, they are back. Those people that went to Libya before, all of them are here. So we are saying that government has empowered youth. Near 5,000 youth are employers of labor. They are already employing people now. So the last exhibition, so we are not doing badly. Government is doing well in the South.
Men and women, they're plenty everywhere, but they don't need us. Our God passed them. Yes. Our God passed them. Yes. Our God passed them. Our God passed them. Very good. And as we pass them for man, that's what we pass them for her. And that's what we will take. Yes. Okowa is our man. Yeah. I am a Christian to the core. If Okowa not they do well, I don't go support her. So. But because he they do well, he said, man, I know the wife is a Christian, born again Christian. Yes. That is why I'm giving them my 100% support. Wow. If you be my fan for here, let's up your hand. What you go do for me now to vote for Okowa? Yes, sir. Vote for PDP all the way. Yes. If they mess up, I go climb here, they will say they don't mess up. Yes. And for now, for 4 years, they never mess up. Now for PDP, clap. I'm happy as soon as I come out well, come support Okowa. As soon as I come out, so make una carry una vote.
I can say Elvis. We are rallying about the Puruneje Governor Okowa.
Esiniake Jersey for the second time because of his opponent, you know. We are so impressed with the youth. We are proud that we have our own governor from this very land of Ika. Friends with Benefit for Okowa 2019. Omele Hone with roads, Kazakaba, different streets, different houses, and one entrance to different areas of this very Ika land. Because of us our opponent, so we are glad and we are proud of him. He has done so much, empowered so many youths, and some of the market women and the widows, and the infrastructure area and schools. We are very proud. The guy has done so well. I wish for him to come back for the second time.